let's talk about camera settings for Lumabooth, the iPad photo booth software. So you have two choices. You can do either automatic camera settings or manual camera settings. Automatic basically means that the software is adjusting the settings for you based on the amount of light you have in a certain situation. So when would it be a good time to go automatic camera settings? One, if you just don't know camera settings. If you know zero about photography, it's best to let the software do it for you rather than you go manual and just guess and not really know what you're doing. Also, if you're going to do a drop-off, you must have the automatic settings on. It's non-negotiable. Trust me, just do it, because if you have it set to manual and you leave, let's just say right now, it's in manual. What you guys see me right here. If they turn the lights on, I will be completely overexposed. Just make sure that, like, if you're not gonna be there, that the software is prepared to change the settings on your behalf. So those are the two cases where I would say, like, you know, automatic. When would be a good time to go manual? Well, if you're gonna be there, if you're gonna stay there, it's in your best interest to learn these settings and what they mean, right? Which is gonna be basically ISO, shutter speed, and just kind of a basic understanding of white balance. That's only if you're using Lumabooth on the iPad. If you're adding a DSLR camera, then you're gonna have to know what f-stop means. But like, you guys, there's so many photography tutorials. That's why I haven't like dived in and try to teach you guys what ISO means, because you can go to YouTube, TikTok, and just type in photography settings and you can watch like a 5-minute video and have a better understanding. But I just want to prepare you guys on when's the best to use which. So if you're gonna be there, manual camera settings. If you're doing glam, especially if you're gonna be there, manual camera settings, because you're gonna wanna actually slightly overexpose the photo. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, here is a glam photo. And you could tell that the exposure is a little bit more on the high side, but that's really to make the effect work. A light, bright photo basically is what makes glam really work. Really quick, let's hop on Lumabooth and I'm gonna show you guys how do you know if it's on automatic or manual. So give me 1 second and we'll go on the iPad. All right, so here we go. We have Lumabooth open. You're gonna hit the drop down menu. Then you're gonna see camera settings. And boom, let me turn that off. So right now, everything is set to automatic, and you know that because under exposure, it says manual exposure is off. So if manual exposure is off, that means we're in automatic mode. White balance currently is in automatic mode because it's off. You're gonna also see here, you have the video boomerang. We have it off as well. And then you're gonna see advanced. This is basically just saying like the camera angles. You have the back, telephoto, back, ultra wide, back. Again, ignore the backs because we're using the wide, the front wide. Also too, where it says video stabilization, I recommend it being off if you're using video when it's in the photo booth, because there's no need to stabilize something that's already stable. So we're gonna go photo, GIF, we're going back. And if you wanna turn it on, you basically would flick it on, and then you can adjust the shutter speed, you can adjust ISO, you can adjust the temperature, right? But again, I highly recommend you guys take the time to learn photography settings because it's super important to understand what this is. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll leave a link to a decent tutorial in the description. If you're watching this on TikTok, just go to the YouTube and I'll leave a video there. So let's go back to the tripod. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And remember, go to photobooth101.com to get all of your photo booth equipment, from the iPad photo booth, DSLR photo booth, the beautiful, amazing backdrops that we have. We have it all. And also, if you're new to Lumabooth and you haven't paid yet, we have a link to get a discount, and then you'll have an opportunity to join our private Lumabooth group chat on TikTok. That's in the bio, YouTube in the description. So thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you soon. Take care.